Finally. All right, let's see where she's going now. I want to see it come up here and hit 19 and a half. Come on. Climb the chart. Climb the chart. Gracious. Took for. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and once again I am looking at the Emini S&P 500 futures, and this is my live trading recorded session here that I will be posting to my YouTube channel or my channel sometime today. I want to thank everyone for following and watching the video this morning, and let's go ahead and look at the market and see what's going on. Yesterday was the second, today is the third. And yesterday, price broke up, pushed higher, and finally broke the high here of the swing high here at 46.19 and a half, pretty much. Okay, so we pushed above that, and I took a few trades yesterday. You guys saw me take a few trades yesterday. This was an area of supply sitting up here with some liquidity sitting up there that the market, pushed higher, took out, and then overnight, pretty much the market just kind of moved sideways here. So it made it tough, guys. Today's Wednesday. I'm not sure how much trading, activity or movement we'll get in the market today. The market has been trading sideways all night long, pretty much towards the end of the session yesterday into the wee hours of the morning. And we're finally getting a little push to the downside. So the market is in a little channel to the downside. I'll draw it. You can see it right here, kind of making lower highs. And we just got a break of a lower low here. So the price pushed down, pulled back, and finally broke lower here. So we'll see what the market is actually trying to do if we're going to get some continued or further break to the downside. So not quite sure 100% yet, but so when the market broke above here, it pushed higher, right? It pulled back, pushed higher, and then we got a pullback here. So creating pretty much a small area of demand sitting right there on the pullback, but the market actually pushed higher, and you could have actually taken an entry. Well, I wouldn't have. I mean, looking at it now. Because you've been testing the lows right here, so the market's just kind of just moved sideways, guys. I'll be honest with you, so you got to be careful in trading the stuff. So I mean, but you could have. I mean, when the market rejected the tops right here, it pushed lower. You see that? Okay, when it actually pushed lower on the test back to this area right here, you could have went short back to this area right here. So when the market pulled back and closed to the downside, you could have taken a trade to the downside for a few points. So right now we're getting some, it looks like we're gonna maybe get some further movement to the downside here, and prices built this area of volume. You can see in this area right here. So typically, look what the market likes to do is build volume. If it pushes away from it or moves away from this area, we have low volume here, so it probably tests an area of volume below, which could be this area here, which would probably give a little trouble, but more so this area here. Okay, so but we can see the market moving very slow. Not too much activity. So I'm going to wait and see what happens. So let's see. But yeah, guys, if you have already subscribed to the channel, thanks. I say that in all my videos because I just want to do that every single day to let everyone know that I appreciate those who have subscribed to the channel already, and those that have been liking the videos. I appreciate that. So if you don't mind, I mean, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. At this time, you have nothing to lose. Basically, it's just me pretty much giving information, good valuable information. I pass it along to individuals that may be interested in trading, that may be starting. Trying to figure out, maybe in the middle of trying to figure out, a strategy to use, or trying to figure out a plan to use. Maybe you're just completely confused and starting over. So, however you found the channel, thank you for watching the video today, and go ahead and subscribe if you don't mind, because I have some good valuable information about price action trading. I pretty much trade on pullbacks, but I also look at areas of demand and supply and demand, however you want to say it, because that is a heavy hitter, a hitting topic, heavy hitting topic that everyone should know about because it is how the institutions move. Okay, if you move like them, then you can take bigger moves. So, I use a strategy that I use. It's called pullback trading or strategy, which is looking at price action, looking for price movements, looking for levels to take out levels, and looking for pullbacks, and on those retracements, I look for the rejection or failure and enter the market. So, but ultimately, you really need to know about supply and demand because it is a major topic within the markets that everyone should know. It's understanding the fundamentals of how the market actually moves. That's looking, reading supply and demand, or reading the market analysis and understanding, where the institutions push price to, moved away, and then they're going to come back to it. So it's a fake and move type game. And is there a goal to collect or to stop you and take your money? You just have to be able to read the market and move like they do. So the market is just, you can see it just playing around here, guys. Yeah, we could get up. Well, let's see. I'm not sure what it's trying to do. I'll be 100% honest with you. It's got to take this area here out if it wants to go lower, and it hasn't done that so far. This is the 12 range chart I'm looking at. Took that area out though, didn't it? I'm looking for it to come. Come down here back to 14. It hasn't retested that area, but it may not. We're around the VPOC right now, so that's a major reason why I'm not trading right now, because we're around the VPOC. And pretty much the topic I want to talk about today is, in order to trade, guys, and become, good at things, good at trading, you have to, or becoming great at trading, and becoming a great trader. There's things you must, clearly take the time to understand, and that's the fundamentals that I was just speaking about. Understanding, the bigger players, what they're trying to do, understanding the fundamentals of the market, how it moves, who moves the market. We don't, as retail traders, we do not move the market. We trade. We try our best. If you know how to trade, we try our best to trade like the big players, which are the institutions. That's who you want to follow. Okay, you want to mirror their moves, understand their movements. It's like a game of chess. If you understand that game, then you can move like them. So in order for you to become a great trader, you first of all have to understand the fundamentals. Must be able to read the market. That's market analysis. Understand the structure of the market. Got to understand how to, and then you get down to the technicals, like trying to, follow price action and understanding what's going on. Price creating levels, breaking through levels, things of that nature. So there's two sides of trading: the fundamental side and the technical side. So you must be able to master that if you want to be successful in trading and becoming a great trader. Okay, so we're seeing price coming back to this area right here and take an entry here back to the okay, long. And do something like this. Come on. Don't do that. Come on. Push up. 1625. Hit it. Bouncing off 16, round number there. Hit it. There we go. Okay. And I'm looking for price maybe to come a little higher. The price can bounce right here at 16 and a quarter. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay. Hopefully price come up here and hit that area here at around 18. Let's see what happens here. It's bouncing right there at 16. Yeah. Price just moved sideways right here. I'm looking for it to come back up here and test the highs right here. Definitely around 18. It could come higher. Struggling, right? Come on. Push up. Moved sideways here at the bottom, didn't it? So I'm looking for it to kind of come on. Struggling. Seventeen and a half. Tell you what, we'll do it right here. Got my contract right there. 17 and a quarter. I'll put it at 17 and a quarter. Come on. It's going to bounce off 17. There we go. Got filled. All right. I was waiting on that. Kind of scared me a little bit here at the bottom, but I knew it was going to reject this area and push back up and at least test the VPOC again. But this was an entry, price pulling back here, rejecting this area, pushed up on the pullback. We can hit the trade in. Okay, guys. All right. So, price created a level of, came down here and created some an area of demand sitting right here, and pushed up, came back to it, rejected out of it. So I went higher. I went long. All right. So that's that trade. We're back at the VPOC right now. I'm going to wait to see what actually happens. Okay. Okay. So price is moving sideways around the point of control here, and taking another long entry is risky around the VPOC, but I'm pretty sure price is going to come back and test the highs right here, around 20, 20 and a half area. But I have my first contract at 18 and a half, second one at 19 and a half. So just waiting for price to push higher. Price came back down, rejected the bottoms right here, creating an, where there was demand at, creating an area of, we got liquidity sitting here. So price is moving away from it right now and pushing higher, trying to get filled here on this contract at 18.5. So hopefully we get filled here and price pushes higher to retest the highs. Just bounced off of that 18.5 area. But, we were right around the point of control. So, you know how that goes, guys. So, I'm only trading this because of, experience and being able to see, um, entries like this or situations like this based upon what price is doing. So, that's been able to read the market. But price should come up here and fill this contract here and push higher and test the highs. And that's what let's see here. 20. Yeah. Okay, come on. That's what I'm waiting on. But in order to become a great trader, guys, especially it don't matter what market you trade. This kind of playing off what I said earlier, you have to be able to read the market. You have to be able to read the market. You have to be able to understand and move like the institutions, because once you do that, then that's when you put yourself in a position to where you become very successful, where you become profitable and trade in your trades every single day. And outside of that, it's just a matter of being patient and waiting for the right setup. That's the key, right? For the right setup. And once you grasp that, I'm not saying you won't ever have a losing trade, but you should never have a losing day. You should always be profiting and making money every day. That's the key to trading. That's the goal that we all want to be able to do, is make money every day, right? So take it from me. It takes time, it takes experience, and you have to be able to master certain things to be able to trade correctly. It's just playing around the point of control. You see it bouncing. It already bounced off the my first PT and profit target area right there. So let's see. It's ridiculous, right? So we'll just let this trade play out here. I want to see it come back and test this area right here. You see here. So when you see rejection from the bottom like this, with price bounce right here, pretty much at a level, you take the trade on the pullback, like I said earlier. I knew price would come back down here and test that 14.5 area. So don't chase it once it starts rejecting here. Don't chase it. Let it do its thing. Come up and maybe break a level, break an area within a level, then come back to that area of demand down there, and then which was the entry was right here at 14.5. Okay, that's where the entry was at. So wait for price to show its hand. That entry was right here at 14.5. Okay. Yeah. All right. So whew, today's gonna be a slow day. I can tell. Price is going. It's gonna take forever to fill orders. It's very sluggish. Hmm. Hmm. Oh boy. Yeah. Days when the market's moving slow like this, um, hmm, you may not want to trade. You may just say, "Hey, I'll wait till the next day." Um, I mean, you can see what it's doing. It's building a massive area of volume right here. Gracious, market's just bouncing, pulling back and forth around the point of control. Come on, go up there and hit it. My gracious, this trade is taking way too long. But you guys know why? Why? POC. That's why. Pushing and pulling, pushing and pulling. Okay. Irritating. It's already hit it one time. It's coming up here hitting it again and pulling away. Hmm. Come on. Unbelievable. Hit it again. Right there. It's not feeling my order. Finally. All right, let's see where she's going now. I want to see it come up here and hit 19 and a half. Come on. Climb the chart. Climb the chart. Gracious. Took forever, right? What did we hit? 19. We hit 19. Round number bounced off of it, right? Come on. He's bouncing at 19. See, when I see things like this, guys, um, I typically just go ahead and kind of get out the market, try to let this trade play out so you can see we get filled up here at the highs right here. But all this pushing and pulling for one at the V-Pod. Price is moving slow. You know, it's just too much tugging. I typically days like this I wouldn't trade or stand down until I see something better action. Maybe to come up here now and hit it. I may go ahead and take this contract out at 19 just to be done with it because I'm tired of price playing around this area. Come on. My gracious. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Okay, good. We got filled. Okay, good gracious. Watch it come up here and hit to the highs right here. It's already up there pretty much. You see it up here. It's at 19 and a quarter it hit. My profit target on the second contract was one tick away. Let's see if it hits 19 and a half. It's 10:45 right now. It's pulling back and forth. Okay, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and close the video out here and get this one uploaded so you guys, well, you're probably already watching it, but go ahead and get it uploaded here. Either way, I appreciate everyone who's been following the channel. If this is your first time watching, please go ahead and subscribe, guys. Join the team and watch me live. Watch my sessions each day. These are my recorded sessions of me live trading the Emini S&P 500 futures. And like I said, my primary strategy is pullback trading, waiting for rejections, meaning retracement trading on pullback, waiting for the rejection there, and taking those entries. So, but outside of that, I clearly understand. I'm looking at supply and demand areas of what the institutions are doing just as well, and trying to trade along with them. So you have to know how to do that as well. Know those areas of demand and supply. Look at it's hitting 19 and a quarter again. But that's going to do it for the video here, guys. I appreciate everyone for watching. And if you're trading, please stay safe in the markets. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.